Hey girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect. Welcome to my channel. I can't wait to show you what's coming this Christmas with Planner Perfect. This is something I've been working on since the beginning of the year. I finally get it, and it is going to be available for you to purchase during the Christmas season. And I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is going to be so fun. I actually wanted to get this because I have something that's very similar that I have always really loved. So since I love all things planning, I set to work into getting something that I know all of you would love as well, that will really kind of keep your pens, washi, and tip-ins and things very, very organized. Let me show you what it is. Do you see this? It's a pencil case, or should I say a brush marker type of a case. Marker, pens, all of your favorites. Okay? Do you see the daisy on there? I mean, don't freak out before I can turn you around and show you. This is a beautiful, beautiful, like brown. It's a tan. It's beautiful. It's so, so beautiful. I also have a beautiful color green. They go well together. I'm going to flip you around and show you the insides, how you can put washi in there, your tip-ins, all your tombos, all of your pens, your pencils, so you're all organized wherever you're going to go. And it makes really good for traveling. So whatever you're doing, I mean, all of this, all is just such great, beautiful options in your planning life so that you can write a better story. Let me flip you around and give you a real good closer look. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here is the beautiful pencil and pen bags that not only is for that, but for washi and tip-ins and stickers. And I brought even some of my stuff just to even show you. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so let's look into this cute little brown one here. I wish that, well, I do have some of my markers here, so I'm going to show you. I've got some of my Tombow, got some little bows that I've picked up. My favorite Tombows, actually, that I like working in, and also Primrosa. I've been using them. But no matter what size you place you put it on, it's got so much room. I mean, handy. You're using all of, this one has this on here and it doesn't fit as well. There we go. You can put your pencils, whatever you're using. I mean, you know. Then you've got here, you can put an ollie clip if you wanted. This is also, you can take it out. You then have this here, so we can even take it out, but it all what it can do is just flip over, and you've got access to everything as well this way. Stick your ollie clips over here. You've got your pens here. You can line it up with all of your favorites. Then what you can do, this is for your washi. Okay, let's do this. This is all my washi that has been in our subscription boxes. Look at that. Do you see that? Hi. It's so perfect. Then, you know. Yeah. Okay. I mean, literally anything. You can also do this was from my October box, sub box kit. I can't get over that ghost. I can't. He's too much. This is for more washi girls, okay? Throw in a couple charms of mine and your set. That way I'm going to take it off of another tin. Let's see, throw that in. You know, I mean, you're totally set. Obviously, you can fill this up with so much more stuff. Okay, let's just say you want to throw in some more fall charms. Do you see these? I'm not even kidding with this. I want to show you this. There's a little rhinestone here, and then it says Planner Perfect. See how thick that is as well? Hi. My watercolor on a charm. My watercolor on a charm. My watercolor for sweater weather on a charm. Do you see how thick and beautiful and gold-plated this is? It's stunning. Let's go ahead, stick this in here as well. You know, we got to be prepared. Planner Perfect right here. Everything has very much so attention to detail. Okay, so there you go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at your washi. Look at this. We've got a little cute pumpkin ghost sticking out. We've got our scissors. We've got our ollie clip. This completely comes off if you don't even want it. On if you do. I love the color. It's a nudie, beautiful new color browns. It's got my watercolor daisy on the cover. You're taking it with you with your planner. Okay? With your planner. You're set, you're planned, you're organized. What are you going to do about it? You're too beautiful to even be looked at. It's just too much. Look at that. Yeah. Same with the beautiful green. Watercolor daisy on the cover that is gold. It's gold outlined. Planner Perfect right here. Same thing, same detail. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. All of your pens, all of your favorite things you want to use, all in one place. The Planner Perfect pen, pencil, planning supply bag. All right here at Planner Perfect. 2 new colors. These are first. 2 more colors are coming after, in the beginning of, somewhere in the winter or spring, somewhere around there. 2 more colors are coming to the lineup. Girls, this is just too beautiful. Look, I wanted to see. It does. These do stick beautifully. If you don't have, let's see, if you've got washi here, let's go ahead and try it with our brown one. I wanted to see about the stickers, and they sure as heck do fit. And look, you could do this. Hi. And whether you do marker on that or not, these stickers, my stickers, fit. Oh my goodness. You're set. You're freaking set. I can't. I like warm hugs. This was last year's. I love it. Guys, there you have it. Planner Perfect's complete planning accessory bags coming this Christmas. I can't wait for you to get your hands on these. Stay tuned for more.